how to fix lagging and stuttering on your PUBG on PC. So if you also play PUBG using emulators such as BlueStacks, which is an Android emulator, so here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just head over to your BlueStacks application and just try to uninstall or reinstall the application, or you might as well just update the application from the Play Store itself. And if that's not working for you, here's the detailed settings for your PUBG Mobile, that is you can play on your PC. So you can just copy these settings over here, that is your universal brightness, your graphics quality based on your devices settings, your make sure everything is medium or very low or low. So just like this you can just copy it from over here, and you always need to make sure that you have covered all of the settings such as resolution, post processing textures, and motion blur, DirectX version, etc. So once you do all of that, your issue should be fixed. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.